Gua, 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 Guangdong baby, got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's all about, looking all around. It's Guangdong, baby. Got the guang, got the dong, got it all. Guangdong, oh yeah, 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 Guangdong, China.
We're in Jiangmen. I'm mispronouncing that one, but this is has a lot of history in here. This is looking up the population size is 2 million, and the metro is 5 million, and there's all these really historic homes in here, and we're going to be exploring all that in a lot of videos because I'm really taking a liking to it right away, and I'm going to definitely film it and put up quite a bit. But this is going to be one of the first ones, so this is my first impression. I put it to this area called Changdi Historical Blocks, and then this is the riverfront right here. Anyways, we're gonna walk through here and get right into it. Okay, Jiangmen up on the map, a kind of interesting spot of China, which is not too far from Macau, not too far from Guangzhou, as you can see on the map. And we're going to be walking right into this kind of tourist area of it, Changdi Historical Blocks, and I'm just kind of exploring it. This is the first video, and I was pretty impressed, as you can tell when you hear me talking about it. And I was so impressed that I made about 8 other videos, so I'll be putting up a new one every few days, every 5 days or so, until I put up all 8 of Jiangmen. So this is number 1, and I think this is the one that kind of introduced me to how cool and interesting this whole area is. So without any further ado, up on the map, exactly where we are, and let's go check it out as if you were there yourself. Okay, so this is that's a river right there, of course. Let's come around to this side. So I'm going to be walking into the historic block area, and this city is quite interesting. You can see some setup for some tourism here, right up there too. Domestic tourism too, right? There's a little bit of English, but they don't even have the word Jiangmen written. Maybe up here they do. But there's a lot of history here. Here's the neighborhood that we're at. Jiangmen. We're gonna just meander right in. And so yeah, this is kind of a community where a lot of overseas Chinese came from. It's also a lot of manufacturing, but there's also all these old homes not too far from here, in an area called Kaiping, and a few other ones. But and these homes are basically a lot of the influences from going abroad. So there's also the other areas where there's diallo. It's kind of cool already. Let's just walk directly. Huh. Kind of liking this. Got lion dancing too. I was kind of get some exercise equipment for. But there's some lion dancing types of things here too. Let's see what that is exactly. Okay. It's kind of interesting. So the lion dancing is all set up already. They must probably do it. They must have it right on the square even. Check how big that is. Wow. Yeah, that's amazing. I was just thinking about how I hadn't really thought about how influential Guangdong is on Chinese culture. You know, the lion dancing, Bruce Lee, so navigate here a little bit. Little tuk tuk. Yeah, they're really setting. This is really kind of a tourist town. Hello. Okay. Well, I was gonna capture the name of that town, but the street. Usually I'll film streets in Macau. Oh, they're really set up for tourism here. I would definitely have to come back here and explore a lot more in the city. I feel like I'm just going to get a little bit of a touch of it today. But I don't live too far away. I live in Macau. And I knew there was going to be some cool stuff around, but I didn't really realize to what extent. That looks more interesting, or this way? Oh, there's even like little rooftops up there too. Yeah, this is definitely set up for some tourists. But you know, I don't think, like, foreign tourists don't really know much about it, so. But I think there's some movie sets in Chukan Ancient Village, which is not too far away. And I've heard that that one is kind of similar. And that one has movie set. Maybe these are some movie set people right here, even. Yeah, it looks like it is. See? Hello. So yeah, I think that is. Oh, there's a cat right there. Okay, so let's just keep on going down. A lot of fans here too. They have movie references. Huh. They do have movie references. Okay, let's keep on exploring. There's some basketballs over there. Okay, there's a lot of cool stuff here. Anyways, we're gonna do a series of them. That chair looks cool. And I feel like this would be a much even bigger and busier later. Kind of funny that these are like Indians from India, the Chinese characters, and that phone number looks like it's could be from India too. I was watching another video recently, and the video was talking about the overseas Chinese, and they were going all over the world. Oh, there's more. And so that they would I'm just kind of trying to capture this a little bit and kind of taking it all in. But they would bring back like signage from whatever countries they were in and put it up on their businesses or their houses and things like that. So that one looks like maybe some overseas Chinese that was in India, and they had the Chinese phone number, but that's not a China phone number. That looks like a different phone number. Okay. Huh. Hello. Everything's kind of set up, so later I think Anyways, we're definitely gonna do more videos of Jiangmen. This city is cool. Dang. Yeah, actually, so this has a lot of movie references throughout. So I guess these are some of the scenes that took place in the city. I think I just saw that shop earlier in the video. And I guess this does too. Go right up there. Really picturesque. Anyways, I should probably start a new video. I don't want to make this one too long.
Got the dawn